A useful code captures what a passage means in relation to the research question. It should be specific enough to guide future decisions and broad enough to recognize again. Open code to create a code deliberately. Give it a short name. Write a definition that distinguishes it from nearby concepts and use color as a visual aid, not as the meaning itself. Select the smallest passage that still carries the intended meaning. Check the sentences around it, then apply an existing code or create a new one when the concept is genuinely different. Open the codebook regularly. Codes with similar definitions may need merging. Codes with very different examples may need splitting. Counts are prompts for review, not proof that a theme is important. When the canvas becomes familiar, use the command palette to reach common actions without hunting through menus. Search by the outcome you want and keep your attention on the material. As coding continues, connections accumulate between sources and concepts. Use that visual structure to notice repetition, contradiction, and gaps, then return to the transcript before drawing a conclusion. Coding is iterative. Apply a code, compare examples, and refine the definition. QualCanvas keeps those decisions visible, but the interpretation remains yours.